Hi, in today's video I'm going to be talking about the most asked questions I've received since I've started YouTube, which is how to get rid of sunburn. So before I continue the video, please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so very much. I want you to hit the like button and leave a comment for me in the comment section. So what is sunburn? How do you get rid of sunburn and how do you prevent yourself from having sunburn? Sunburn is when your skin is exposed to ultraviolet light, ultraviolet lamps. It is when you go out under the sun without protecting your skin from the sun. And there are three ways in which you can protect your skin from sunburn. Number one, you should use a sunscreen. I've said it countless times. Include sunscreen in your skincare routine. And if you come from this part of the country in which I'm filming this video, which is Nigeria, you should always use a sunscreen that has SPF 50 and above. This is the one I use. It has SPF 80 and above. And it suits my skin very well. It is called Skin Doctor. You should make sure you don't react to it before applying it on your face. Get a sunscreen and apply it on your skin, on your hand first, and if you don't react to it, then you can start using it on your face. Then number two way you can protect your skin from the sun is to always wear your sunglasses. The sunglasses is not for fashion alone. It protects your eyes from the sun. The wrinkle starts from this corner of the eyes. That is where the wrinkle starts from. So you should always protect your eye from the sun. So you should always wear your sunglasses whenever you are going out, in order for you to protect your eyes from the sun and wrinkles. Then number three, you can protect yourself from the sun by using an umbrella or by staying under the shade always. But make sure that whatever you do, always wear your sunscreen every day. Whether you are going out or not, you should make sure you wear your sunscreen every day. I'm going to show you how to make a mixture that can help you to get rid of sunburn. Please take note that the sunburn mixture that I'm going to show you next in the next slide does not work overnight. It does not work when you've used it for just once or twice. You should use it for at least 2 weeks before you start seeing changes. So let's get right into the video. Now I'm going to apply the mixture on my face. Make sure you do that with a face brush if you don't want your clothes and your restroom to be messy. If you can use this mixture religiously for about 2 to 3 weeks, your sunburn is going to clear off in no time. The only disadvantage is that it can be quite messy, so you need to be very careful. And don't forget to apply your moisturizing cream or an essential oil on your face after this process. because you are going to be smelling like a local girl, like palm oil, after you wash your face. If you watch up to this point, this slow motion dance is for you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. After about 1 hour, I clean it off with a paper towel first before I wash off with soap and water. It's now time to wash with soap and water. You need to be very careful here and you need to be patient. You can't do this process in a rush, so make sure you go in slowly and steadily. Thank you so much and I'll see you in my next video.